This will be the circuit simulation, which is simulated by using circuit.io. And so this is what the hardware part looks like. So the list of components are breadboard, DHT11, jumper wires, and all are connected to microcontroller ESP8266. The source code for DHT11 with ESP8266 using FAVORIOT. First, we have to include the DHT11 library, and then we have to include as well ESP8266 Wi-Fi. Then, we have to define DHT pin at 0, which is connected to D3. And then, the SSID and password of my Wi-Fi. And then, the string of the device developer ID at the FAVORIOT. And then, this is the server of the FAVORIOT. And lastly is API key, which I actually use the device access token from FAVORIOT. And then, the void setup part is actually connecting to the Wi-Fi. And then it will just print Wi-Fi is connected or not. Then at the loop part is to read the humidity and temperature sensor, in which this is actually to read the data from the humidity and temperature. So the data will come out based on this code here. It will come out at the serial monitor. And then if it is failed to read from DHT sensor, it will also print at the serial monitor. Next is to send all the data to FAVORIOT using the string JSON. Then the void send data to FAVORIOT. So this is the source code. So after connecting the board to ESP8266, I just upload the code. So after the code is successfully uploaded, you can open the serial monitor here, and then the data will come out here, right here. So as you can see, the humidity right now is 60 and the temperature is 35.70. So the status is sending data, and the data is sent to the FAVORIOT. So as you can see, if we open the data streams, you can see right now the data is pop up here at the data streams. So you can choose you want the data to come out 10, 25 or 50. And then go to the dashboard. As I've created the temperature and humidity data, I just click here, and then you can see this is the data right now. So I just, like right here, I set it to 100, and then I just put the chart title, temperature and humidity, and I just want the chart to be aligned, and then the line curve is straight. So I just closed it. And then this is actually the graph, and then this is actually the map. So if you want to add any widget, you can just click here and just pick any widget you want. So if you want to rearrange or resize the widgets, you can just click here, and then as you can see, you can click here and can make it smaller, and this one you can make it bigger, like you put it here and then you make it bigger. If I want it to be side by side like this, and then you can do it like this. So as for me, I want it to be bigger, so I just change the satellite, and then I put the little human here. You can see I can actually put the device place, like you can see right now the device is right here. So just closed it, minimized it, and then again just put it side by side. So this is the chart and the maps for the temperature and humidity data. So actually at the chart, it shows two datas because I actually set it both in one chart like this. So as you can see, selected parameters is humidity and temperature. So you just reconfigure it by clicking this, and then you can pick either one, or you can pick actually both by hold down the control windows, and then you just update like that. Then just update the chart, and then that's it. And then here at the data streams, you can actually export the data streams in the form of CSV and also JSON. So CSV is actually Excel, so you can just click it. But since I've already downloaded, so I'm just going to show it to you. So the data will be shown like this. And then you can also click on JSON like this. See, I've already downloaded as well, so I'm just going to open it for you guys. And since I've already downloaded the Visual Studio Code, it will pop up in the Visual Studio Code.
Assalamualaikum and hello. To this video, we will read and visualize ultrasonic sensor data from FAVORIOT platform. This is the circuit diagram, which is the component is ESP8266 and ultrasonic sensor. This is the wiring connection for ultrasonic sensor and ESP8266. Okay, now let's take a look at our source code and how to test this circuit. This is our source code, and in order to test whether ultrasonic sensor is functioning or not, whether it's measure the distance between the sensor to object, first we need to take a look at our tools, make sure that the board is ESP8266 module, and port. In my case, I connected to port COM4. So after that, we upload the code into the circuit. Okay, now we are uploading. Okay, after it's reached 100%, now let's take a look at first our serial monitor first, whether it's connected or not. Okay, now it's connected and the distance is 6 centimeter. And now let's take a look at the data in FAVORIOT. Let's take a look at our favorite platform, whether the data is received or not. Let's go to the data streams. So yeah, the data is received in FAVORIOT, and we also can visualize this data using graph. So click at the dashboard and go to the ultrasonic, and yeah, so this is the graph. And we also can export the data stream, export with in CSV format and JSON format, and both formats are shown in the lab report. That's all from our group. We also want to thank Dr. Daniel bin Matno for giving us support and help to finish this project. And we also want to thank and appreciate Dr. Mazlan bin Abbas, the founder of FAVORIOT, for giving us a full 1 year of free subscription of beginner account of Favorite IoT platform. We are really appreciate that. Thank you.